Growing basil indoors offers a range of culinary, health, and well-being benefits, from providing fresh ingredients year-round to enhancing your home's atmosphere. Culinary and practical benefits: fresh, year-round supply. An indoor basil plant gives you immediate access to fresh leaves whenever you need them for cooking, eliminating last-minute trips to the store. Superior flavor: homegrown basil, harvested right before use, provides a more vibrant and potent flavor and aroma compared to store-bought bunches, as the essential oils begin to fade quickly after picking. Cost-effective: a single, low-cost plant can provide fresh herbs for months, saving money compared to repeatedly buying packaged basil. Easy to grow. Basil is a low-maintenance, fast-growing herb, making it ideal for beginner gardeners and those with limited space, such as apartment dwellers. Health and well-being. Benefits: nutritional value. Basil is rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, as well as manganese, calcium, and magnesium, which support overall health, bone density, and immune function. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The herb contains potent antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols, and essential oils like eugenol, linalool, and citronellol that help fight cell damage from free radicals and reduce inflammation, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Stress reduction. Tending to plants is a calming activity in itself, and the natural aroma emitted by basil leaves is believed to soothe nerves and reduce anxiety, promoting a sense of well-being and improved mood. Digestive support. Compounds in basil may aid digestion, reduce bloating, and help manage acid reflux. Home and environmental benefits: natural air freshener and purifier. Basil leaves naturally release a pleasant, refreshing scent that enhances your home's aroma. They may also help improve indoor air quality by absorbing some airborne toxins. Natural pest repellent. The strong fragrance of the basil plant can help deter common household pests like flies and mosquitoes, acting as a natural insect repellent without chemical sprays. Aesthetics. A lush, green basil plant in a pot adds a touch of natural beauty and life to your kitchen windowsill or any bright spot in your home. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about creating a beautiful and positive home, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy planting and may your homes be filled with good fortune. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.